Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today I have a really special unboxing video. As you can see, I picked up something from the recent Loewe and My Neighbor Totoro collection. And I also have a special package that just arrived, so I thought I would lump some of my unboxings together. As you can tell, I'm really excited about all of these pieces. I'm really excited about what I was able to pick up. Loewe did a capsule collection and collaboration with the My Neighbor Totoro movie that was created by Studio Ghibli. It's a Japanese animation studio. It's one of their classics. I mean, they have a whole suite of movies, Japanese animation movies that have come out over the years, and each one is really a classic in its own. My Neighbor Totoro is one of the earlier ones that I definitely watched. There's like Nausicaa, Princess Mononoke, Spirited Away is one of the more recent ones, as well as Ponyo. So there's like a whole bunch. I think if you have HBO Max, you have access to Studio Ghibli. So if you have it, I highly recommend you check one of those videos out. They're all very real. Like you might think because it's an animation, like it might not, it's like for kids, but it's not. They're all very relatable, and they're all about sort of life and life lessons. Oh, there's Kiki's Delivery. And they all kind of have their own main kind of problem or concept that it's trying to unpack. They're all really like heartwarming, really, at the end. They're not like kind of fairy tale happily ever after kind of heartwarming. It's more of a, you know, that's what life is about. You overcome and you realize, you learn, and then you become a better version of yourself than you were before. I was really late in the game to know that this collection was even happening. The one that I had seen before was actually the Gucci and Doraemon collaboration. I don't know what the New Year's like collabs with all these like Japanese animations was about. Apparently all of those designers got the message and I didn't, but I saw the Gucci Doraemon collaboration coming out. I was interested in it. There was like this pink sweater that was just super cute, had Gucci with a huge Doraemon in the front. I found out that, well, it was like a wool sweater, and I think it was women's wear only, so the sizes look like they might be a bit smaller. I was just like, okay, I'm gonna check it out. I'll see when it comes into the stores maybe and see if I'm able to get anything from that collection. And then like literally 2 days before the Loewe collection even launched, I saw, I mean, like Rochelle was posting about it. She posted some stories about it. And I saw some other folks mention it. And so I was like, oh, okay, like it's happening. And then out of curiosity, I just looked up what the collection would be. And I was really impressed. It's a pretty extensive capsule collection. They had ready-to-wear leather goods, small leather goods, and accessories. So I think there was even like one pair of shoes that came out as part of the capsule. So considering it is a capsule collection, it's much more extensive than the like Gucci Doraemon collection. And I felt like the collaboration was really well done. It wasn't just a like, let me just slap the logo or slap the character onto a piece. Every single piece I felt was really well like thought out. There wasn't really like a throwaway piece, you know, where it felt like they just slapped something on. I mean, you could argue like with the small leather goods, they did put, you know, like a print of the character on there, and you might feel like that was sort of that way. But because so many other elements of the collection were done really well, in my opinion, I didn't feel like, you know, those were just like gimmicky pieces that they created off of existing, you know, leather goods that they had. The dust bunnies were the cutest, were just my favorite. Any item that had the dust bunny motif, it just made me laugh. It's also whimsically done and captures like the essence of those dust bunnies. So I really was impressed with what I saw from pictures online. So I actually just called up the local boutique and asked if it was coming into the store. The essay then helped me out with putting some pieces on hold for me, and that's how I was able to snag this wonderful piece. So from the lovely Loewe and Totoro collection, I picked up this hoodie in this like sky blue color. You can see it has like the huge like oversized crochet drawstrings in the front. It says Loewe in the front, and there is an embroidered Totoro on there. How adorable. Oh, there's a kangaroo pocket on this style. And then the back just has the piece de resistance, I think. It has the really adorable print on the back where Totoro is kind of like peeking out from under the hood. It's so cute. That part is just a print, so it's like a silk print, a silk screen print on the sweatshirt, but the front has the embroidery as the O. That was just so adorable. It definitely caught my attention the most when I was looking at the ready-to-wear, and that was my favorite color. So my boyfriend and I can both wear that hoodie, so we decided we'd get it so that we can share, because who doesn't love a cozy hoodie these days? The other ready-to-wear piece that I tried on was actually this oversized shirt, almost a shirt dress, with the dust bunnies all over it. I loved the concept of that shirt. When I saw the photo of it, I absolutely loved it. I thought it was so fun. It's kind of like having, you know, like an eyeball motif all over, but really cute. But when I saw it in person, I wasn't as impressed. I knew it was going to be somewhat sheer. And then I realized that I think all of the dust bunnies were going to be embroidered on there. But as you can maybe tell from the photos, like it looked like all of them were crying because there was a little bit of white thread that would be left over from stitching the eyes. It just kind of, it was a little bit too much for me. Having crying eyes all over seemed a bit too much. And the size was a little bit too small. I wanted it to be much more of an oversized fit, but they didn't have my size. It was basically 2 sizes smaller. It did come out as an oversized fit, so I still tried it, but it was still a little bit too small. So I decided to not purchase that piece. By the time I went to the boutique on opening day, all the leather goods were sold out. All the small leather goods and all the leather goods were gone. I thought I might be able to still like check out some of the card wallets and things like that, but they were all gone. And I was okay with that. I don't need more SLGs in my life or anything like that. So I just wanted to see what they looked like, but that's it. So that's how popular this collection was. I think everything is honestly sold out online. They do still have some ready-to-wear pieces. Like they have the pink, yellow, and green hoodies. They had it at the boutique when I purchased mine. And they have like the leather jacket and some of the other ready-to-wear pieces that are gorgeous. They're all there. I was just super impressed with the collection. They also gave a few stickers. Look at how cute this is. And you can also see like the shopping tote. I mean, it's so cute from just here. Then there's this bunny on the other side. There's the Loewe logo on the side. And the kicker is on the inside. I hope you can see there are little dust bunnies on the inside. I felt like everything was just really well thought out, really well done. Moving on to the other exciting delivery today. I literally just got this item, and it is a lovely care package from Rochelle. We had sent some bits to each other for the holidays, and so this is what Rochelle has shared with me. This is her card. It says read me last. So I don't know if any of you watch Rochelle, but if you don't, you should. And we have this weird, uncanny telepathy thing going on, because when I sent my package to her, I did the same thing with the packaging where I put little sticky notes all on them with little messages, and then there was a card that had a full explanation of what everything is. And she did the same exact thing. And we didn't talk about this. We didn't plan that. That was just how we both wanted to send out packages. And then when she got hers, she realized we did the same thing again. Like we just were on the same wavelength like that. All right, so I'm going to start off with, I'm just gonna grab things. Here we go. This item, I don't know if you can see, it's like a little hamster that says, have you had these to start off the new year? What is this? Hawaii's best Hawaiian butter mochi mix. Oh! I have not had these before. I'm super excited to try. And then there's something in here. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, there's some hand sanitizer. I think this is guava eucalyptus. I think this is rollerball. So this is a perfume. This is guava eucalyptus hand sanitizer. Oh, curated in Hawaii exclusively for Eden in Love. It's by Jules and Gem Hawaii. I think Rochelle has mentioned Eden in Love before in one of her videos. I think she would get some home bits from there, but I'm excited to try this out. Oh, this smells good. Because, I mean, we use a lot of hand sanitizer these days, of course, but like sometimes you go to the stores and the hand sanitizer smells like butts, okay? I swear. Ooh, this has a little Christmas tree Post-it. Better with butter rolls, but with toast you can. Or go see a croissant selling man. Ooh, croissant selling man. Any excuse for me to see a croissant selling man, I would go. I'd be like, well, Rochelle told me I had to go see a croissant selling man. Ooh, Liliha Bakery. It looks like jam. I think so. It's a bit, it's not as thick as like jam or marmalade though. So I will read the card. I think there will be more information on what this is, but it looks like you put it on bread. Oh, this has a Post-it that says, "You're the L-ist." Oh, she sent me one of these. Oh, thank you, Rochelle. Every time, these are so cute. So this can either be like a brooch or like a little keychain. It has a little hanging bit on it. Oh my gosh. So I think Rochelle gets these every time she goes to Japan. And clearly she hasn't been to Japan in a while. But the last trip she went, I remembered she like picked up a few more of these. And I just died. They're so cute. And she also, when she redid her vanity, she put them under the glass. And they just look so cute as well. Thanks, girl. Now I have one of these too. I think there's a lost Post-it. Oh, this one said be safe and healthy. I think this was supposed to go with the hand sanitizers. All right, now there's 2 boxes in here, which look adorable. It says taste of the tropicals. Also, wait, can we take a moment to just admire the wrapping paper with all the little doggos on it? Doggos in little sweaters and scarves. So cute. Ooh, it smells good. Fruit bars, Hawaiian fruit bars, the cookie corner. Ooh. My boyfriend's getting excited by the minute. He loves all the snacks because he knows we can definitely share the snacks. Ooh, it smells good. Aloha. No, I miss Hawaii so bad. I do. But I'm excited to try these. And then this is the last item. It says, I may be wrapped like poo-poo, caca, but I hope you like me a lotta. It's okay. I already like you a lot, so it doesn't matter. I have this weird thing where I can't just like rip wrapping paper. And so I get made fun of it a lot already. So if you guys are thinking I should just rip the thing, don't worry. There's plenty of people in my life who think that too. You're not alone. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, this is really cute. It's like a vessel that you could put like makeup brushes in, makeup, really anything, pencils, pens, but it says Libra on it because that's my star sign. And it says ruler of Venus, balance, care, energy, air, the artist, love and peace. Oh, this is really cute. This is super, super cute. Oh, thank you, girl. Liliha Bakery's Atomic Jelly. Oh, okay. So this is, it's called Atomic Jelly. Oh, thank you, girl. So I think I can wrap up this quick unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions on any items or really anything at all, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new fashion-related videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time, bye!